This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, completed guys. See once. Then how to write a program. Logical and logical or logical not. What is logical operator? Logical operators returns either 0 or 1, right? See, when it is written 0, when it returns false. When it is true, true, then it is true. Remaining all conditions false. That is a logical and logical or means both are false, then only false. ఇవి రెండు ట్రూ అయితే ట్రూ, ఇవి రెండు ఫాల్స్ అయితే ఫాల్స్. దట్స్ ఆల్. రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ కండిషన్స్ ఆర్ సేమ్. Next one. See, we write an example for this. Now I'll take a B and see this. Now I am going to take int a equals to 1, b equals to 1 guys. C. Okay now. C equals to what I want to write plus plus a. What is plus plus a, right? 2 less than 1 and guys plus plus b greater than 1. Now print a b c values. Now I am going to print a b c values. Write this program guys. Right. A is how much, b is how much. A is percentile d, b is percentile d, and c is percentile d. What is a value, what is b value, what is c value. Write this program and tell me the output. A, b and c values. Yeah, what is the answers guys? Yeah, 220110. Yeah, we check it. Different answers we have written. Yeah, Sandeep 220. Arshita 210. Why Arshita 210? You only told different answers. Everybody 220 or they are writing 110. You only differently told 210. Arshita. P Arshita. 3C2. Yeah, see guys. Yeah, what is plus plus A guys? In this condition you can check plus plus A. What is plus plus A? You know, right? Logical and when the first condition true, second condition true, then only it is true, right? First condition guys. For example, first condition plus plus A. This is a pre-increment, right? 2 less than 1. It's a 2 less than 1. True or false? False. Yeah guys, you know, right? 100 conditions, for example, 100 conditions are there. If all conditions are true, then only it is true. Okay, consider if the first condition is false. Is there any necessity to check all the conditions guys? Should we check all the conditions? You know, right? So all conditions true, then only it is true. First condition itself false, right? First condition is false. Is it mandatory to check all the conditions, right? Not required, right? You understood? Anni check చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు. No need to check all the conditions, right? If one condition is false, The total expression is false, right? No need to check the other condition. Now what will happen, guys, is a 2 less than 1, this is a false, it won't evaluate that expression. Right, what is the answer, guys? Plus plus a will be incremented, but plus plus b it won't increment, it doesn't evaluate this expression. Now what is the value? A is 2, but b is a 1 only, but c is what? C is 0. Why? Because one condition 2 1 0 is the answer. Okay, right here it doesn't evaluate second expression, right? It doesn't evaluate second expression. Okay, doesn't evaluate second expression if the first expression is false. It doesn't evaluate second expression if the first expression is false. Okay, write that note. You understood, right? When it checks the first condition true, then only second condition it checks. If the first condition is false, no need to check the second condition, guys, right? Now answer is what? 2 1 0. You can write a is how much, guys? 2. What is b? B is a 1, c is 0. Why? Because it is not incrementing that value. Second expression is not incrementing, right? Answer is 2 1 0. Completed, huh? Write this note also here. You can write here itself. Doesn't evaluate second expression if the first expression is false. Now, okay, now see this. Completed, right? Yeah, completed. Now next one is, if I change the condition, for example, plus plus a greater than 1. Now tell me, guys, now what is the answer now? If plus plus a greater than 1, now tell me the answer. Plus plus a greater than 1. What is the answer now? Plus plus a. What is plus plus a? 2. Plus plus a is 2. 2 is greater than 1. It's a true. Whenever it is true, now it checks this. Plus plus b. What is plus plus b? 2. Again greater than 1. Now what is a value? Incremented. What is b value? Incremented. What is c? First condition to second condition to, then it is a c is 1. What is b? 2. What is a? 2. 2 to 1 is the answer, guys. Answer is 2 to 1. Once check it, you can print 2 to 1. A is 2, b is 2, c is 1. Okay, no? 2 to 1 is the answer. Clear, guys? Yeah, very good. Yeah, now same condition, guys. Now with R operator, guys, tell me with R operator. Now if I write R operator, then what is the answer? Tell me, guys, what is the answer now if I write R operator? Same question, right? And tell me the answer. Yeah, what is the answer? 2 to 1, na? Yeah, very good. Yeah. Yeah, guys, what is R operator, guys? Tell me. What is R operator? Okay, you know, guys, what is R operator? If one condition is true, that is enough. Okay. If one condition is true, then that is enough. Now first condition, guys, plus plus a. What is plus plus a, guys? Here plus plus a is 2. Plus plus a is 2. 2 greater than 1. Yes, first condition is true. Should we check the second condition? Not required, right? No need to check the second condition. One condition true అయితే సరిపోతుంది. One condition is true, that is enough, guys. No need to check the second condition. Now what it ignores the second condition, right? అది false అయితే చెక్ చేయదు, ఇది true అయితే చెక్ చేయదు. R operator, remember that condition, right? If this condition is true, it won't check the second condition. Or what is AND operator? If it is a false second condition, it won't check, right? That is small difference. అది false అయితే చెక్ చేయదు, ఇది true అయితే చెక్ చేయదు. That's all. Remember this, right? Right here note. What is the note? Now what is the answer here? This is 2 1 1 is the answer. See, 2 1 1 is the answer. See this. Yeah, what is the rule here? What is the note? It doesn't evaluate second expression if the first expression is true. Right here, it doesn't evaluate second expression. It doesn't evaluate second expression if the first expression is true. If the first expression is true. Clear? Yeah. See. Right. Answer is 211. A is 2, A is 2, B is 1, C is 1. Answer is 211. Now next one, guys. Next one. See. Yeah, in exam they won't ask these simply questions, right? Yeah, I will show you what kind of questions they may ask in the test in exams. I will show you now. Yeah, we'll share this material after completion of this operators topic. Wait a minute. See, I will show you that question. Yeah, guys, this question. Yeah, guys, write this. AND and OR operators. Write this question and tell me the answer. Which option is correct? Yeah, here options also I will display. These are the options, guys. A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? Tell me the answer. Yeah, what is the answer, guys? Which option is correct? Completed, huh? Yeah, Sai Puneet. Answer is C. Yeah. If it is true, answer Rahul. Answer that expression is both true, then answer is 1. Answer C, na? Yeah, we check it. Yeah, see what is the answer, guys? See, we check it. 1001. Yeah, many are saying its answer is C. Yeah, we check it, guys. Already I told you, right? This is the first condition. I is 4, right? 4 means what? True. First condition is true. You know, right? What is R operator is there? What is R operator, guys? You know, right? What is R operator? It won't check any other condition. Then it is 1 only. No, right? 1 it is. Next one. No doubt in this. I is 4. 4 means what? True. It is true. Which operator? AND operator. Should we check the second condition? Yes, we have to check that -1. -1 also true. This is true. This is true. Next one. What is K? K is 0. Two conditions true, one is false. Then it is total expression is false. All conditions true, then only it is true. Right? You know AND operator. R operator. Come to the third expression. I equals to I is what? 4. That's all right. 4 means what? True, right? When it is true, guys, which is a R operator, don't check any other conditions. It's a true, right? Then that's all, answer is true. That's all. R operator ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇంకా చెక్ చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు. No need to check the other condition, guys. Why? Because R. What is R operator? First condition is true, it ignores remaining all conditions. Next, when it comes to Z, come to Z. Z, what is I value? 4. It's a true. 4 means other than 0, right? It's a true only. 4 means what? True. Other than 0 is true. I told you, right? What is AND operator? J. What is J, guys? J is -1. -1 is true. Are you following? Whenever it is true, no need to check. R operator is there. No need to check. This is 1. Already I told you. True or false. Other than 0, everything is true. What is the answer? 1011. Which option is correct, guys? 1011. D option is correct. Not C. Many are right. Said that is C answer. No, it's not C. Answer D. You understood, right? Why D option is correct? Clear, guys? Okay, now option D. You understood, right? Option D is correct. Next one. Yeah, logical not. Logical or completed. Logical not. What is the logical not, guys? Right. Yeah, what is logical not? See this. What is a logical not, guys? If it is a logical not, A, not A, not A. If input is true, output is false, guys. A is what? Input is true, output is false. Not A. A is 1. Output is what? This is false. I told